just wanted to say Happy New Year from everyone at the Bead Shop. Obviously, we're hoping not to start the new year in another form of lockdown and tier 4, and be able to reopen properly and hopefully start teaching workshops again. But virus obviously has different ideas, and we're grateful that we can continue with doing online workshops and with our mail orders. And we'll use the extra time that we have, because the shop can't open, to design more kits and do more videos. So if there's anything in particular that you think we should do, whether it's tutorials, virtual workshops, anything you'd like to learn online, or other services that you don't know why we don't offer, please do get in touch. And it should also give us a bit of time to sort out getting all the new Preciosa crystals in and revamping various ranges and the shop for when we do reopen. But we really want to provide the service that everyone is looking for. So if there are any bits, if you would like help with things, if you think that we should be doing things differently, or there's products that you're looking for, please do get in touch and we'll do everything we can to get those in for you or offer those services for you. And yeah, obviously we can't wait until we can get back to having the shop open and see everyone. But for now, it's the most important thing is that everyone stays safe, and hopefully we can help by providing some inspiration, some projects, and some things for you to do during these odd times. And thank you so much for supporting us over the last 12 months. It really has meant the world to us. And we won't be having a big 21st birthday party celebration this year like we would hope to, but we will still put our heads together and come up with some exciting things to celebrate our 21st birthday towards the end of January.